Good day everyone, I'm Engine Cadet de Venecia, Generic C, and I will discuss the importance of load line convention in preserving safety in the industry. First of all, the load line convention is adopted in April 5, 1966, entry in force in July 21, 1968 by IMO. The International Load Line Convention is important for maritime safety because it prevents overloading and ensures ship and stability. Question: how does the Load Line Convention help prevent overloading? Number 1. Limit draft. The draft is vertical distance between the waterline and the lowest point of the ship hull, usually the keel. The draft essential indicate the maximum allowable draft, which depends on various factors such as port filtration. Many port or waterways have deep restriction that a ship must adhere to exceeding the limits. Draft may prevent the ship from safely navigating certain areas. Number 2. Ensuring freeboard. Ensuring freeboard means maintaining this appropriate distance to prevent the risk of water entering the ship, which could lead to flooding or loss of stability. Number 3. Regulates buoyancy. The buoyancy of a ship is regulated primarily through its design, that contribution of weight, and maintaining of ballast. Buoyancy is the upward force exerted by water that support the weight of the ship and prevent its sinking. Next question: how does the Load Line Convention help ensure stability? Number 1. Ensures strong hull. The convention ensures ships have strong hull that can withstand severe sea conditions. Number 2. Ensure watertight integrity. The convention ensures ships have weathertight and watertight integrity. Number 3. Ensure rapid drainage. Convention ensures ships have adequate arrangement to drain water on deck during shipping seas. Who enforce the Load Line Convention? The National Administration are responsible for the enforcing the convention. They conduct surveys, issue load line certificates, and ensure compliance through inspection is all about my topic. And again, I'm Engine Cadet de Venecia, Generic C.